yeah, Garrington number 10. I'm buying a few of these at the minute. I've got that many spanners. I'm losing where my spanners are. So when I see one, I can't compare it to the ones I've got. So I've got to start cleaning these off. So I'm buying whatever I see. So whatever cleans up the best, I keep and I sell the rest. Make sense? Makes sense. Good. Makes sense to me. This one is this one's for Resto Rob. Not as big as I thought it was going to be, but there we are. Resto wanted this because it's King Dick and a fold. Although I've never seen a King Dick, but there it is, King Dick and fold. Very unusual. Okay, so get it off to Resto Rob in the future. How remarkable, that was actually just, I just looked where that come from. It come from 10 miles away from me. Never realised, never looked. This one here. Oh. Same with these, I don't know what I've got, what I've not got. Anything else in there, is there? Don't think so. Oh, that's a good bit of packaging. So this is a 10-inch Garrington red diamond. Does it work properly? No, it don't shut properly. Yeah, no one ever tells you that today when you buy them. Only the most honest people. Right. So it is a 10-inch. When that's finished, that'll look like that. This isn't, well, it is mucky, but it's not. I cleaned it, and then when you put beeswax in, and it does seem to highlight more dirt than beforehand, but never mind, eh? So I've got a 12, a 10, I've got a 6 done, 6 done, I've got the 4 done, so I need an 8 really, don't I? I need to find an 8. Chap rang me up, he said, posted the wrong thing, very sorry, blah blah blah. And I said to him, well, what's in here? And he said there's a couple of German spanners and a Swedish one. And I said, well, what do you want for it? And he said, make me an offer. So I made him an offer, and he's going to send me the ones that I've already won, and I'll get to keep these ones. So we got a well-known. This isn't so much as a K-pack, Ben. This is a Campman. I know Campman. Campman's a good German brand, but what no one told me. I mean, look, oh dear, can we see that? It's one of them fucking banana spanners. Anyway. And then, so what did I end up paying for this? I ended up paying £10 for these three. At $12.50. This is a Steckog. Germany again. I haven't got one. I thought this is what he was saying, it's a Campman, but yeah, so there's 2 I haven't got, but I'm happy to pay a tenner because what come in this was a little number 69 Barco, number 4-inch. Now, I'm sure Ben's got one of these, but if you ain't Ben, let me know. And it's yours, of course. Right, so quite happy with that for a tenner because that's worth that all day long. And I've got 2 spanners I ain't got. Right, moving on. Aha! At last. At last. Normal postman's back now. 3 weeks off. Look at that dug up. Oh, I like that. Okay, this was a 1999 bite now, so I bought it now. It is a Garrington's. It is a Garrington's red diamond. It is reasonably heavy. It's in very... I weren't going to pay the money. I made an offer and he turned me down, and I weren't going to pay the money, and then I thought, well, how often do you get the chance? How often do you see a red diamond with a red diamond head? Because I've got a couple of others. Where have they gone? I can pull this one out straight away. Look, this is... They're both 1/2 inch. This one's tiny. This one has got a date on it though, but no diamonds. And this one, I think this one can get away with just a shine on. And of course the diamond might have to go a little bit red, mightn't it, eh? But yeah, more than happy with that. So for me, it was fucking ridiculous. Thingamajigabidee. So ratchet. Right. Don't know what's in here. I bet it's not. If it is, I didn't order it. At last. So these are missing the spring. Should have a nice big old spring in there to keep them. So look at that for a lock. I see these. These were just the right price. Right, these are not even for me to sell on. My wife wants a nice pair of these are you cut through chicken bones and stuff with these. You can cut chickens right open very easy with these. Obviously not while they're alive. That's good. But these are Italian, right? I cannot tell you how easy that moves. That is the easiest moving. That's lovely. We're getting that on the camera because camera's in a different place again. Because I'll broke my tripod. Right, I mean, look at that. That's nice. That is. God dear. Fucking sharp. They'll get a polish up, and the wife will get them, put a spring in the middle. That'll be that. You can have a guess on them as well if you want. They are Italian bone cutters. Scissors. A bit of damage there. I'll have to address that damage. But there we are. So that is everything that arrived today. Garrington, Jackdaw, Rob's KD, the Italian bone cutting scissors. They're lovely now. And I say the wife will get them. I mean, I'll clean them up nice and advertise them at a stupid price. If they don't sell, then the wife will get them. The Barco, so they were £10, those three, yeah. That, I think, was about $6.99. Which ain't too bad. This cost £15. I thought that was a bit expensive, and since I found another one for a £5. So this cost me 20, but I've never seen another one, so what can you do? Red diamond there. And this cost me £4. And the Jackdaw, that was probably about seven quid as well. So yeah, actually we got a good contrast there. I didn't notice. We got a contrast between the the Jackdaw, because it's got the in it, it's older. So the 1930s, 40s, 50s here. Too late for the 1920s. And the 1960s here. This was 1968. So there isn't actually The bottom jaws are a bit shallower here, but there ain't too much going on. The pin is a screwdriver on the jack door, and it's this horrible bloody thing here that sometimes they come out, sometimes they don't. And the handle, of course, has got the useful 12-point spanner on it, which is a 3/8 Whitworth. It's unusual. Right, so there we are. That's a much more futuristic this than the old style. Weirdly enough, we're still getting this old style in most other spanners. Right, that's enough warbling, I think, isn't it? Yeah. We should really clean some of them, shouldn't we? So let's start off with the jack door. Here's before. And onto the red diamond. Before. The little tiny 4-inch Barco. And now for my favourite of the week, the month, the year. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll come back to those nice little Italian bone snipping things in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.